What is it?
Rudolph.
Rudolph. What is it?
A mermaid.
Mermaid. What is it?
A ballerina.
What is this?
It's a car.
Car. What's that?
I just told you it's a ballerina.
A ballerina. What's in there?
Cadence, you know what's in there.
Cheese. Book. Ponies. Pony.
It's candy.
Candy. Makeup.
What's in it? What did you just throw on the floor?
What?
What'd you just throw on the floor? What is that? Cadence, your baby.
A baby.
All your rings and necklaces.
A necklace.
Show all your rings. Show your bling. Hold them up the other way. Now flip your hands. Katie, go like this. The other way. There we go. Check it out. Who'd you get all this stuff from?
From Grandma Penny.
From Grandma Penny, and who else?
Tracy and your brother.
And who else?
And Daddy.
And Daddy.
And say who else?
Well, who else? Who else is there?
Grandpa.
Oh, Grandpa, that's right.
From Grandpa too.
Okay, Katie, look at the camera and tell everybody Merry Christmas.
Oops. I'm gonna get this back on. Get this back on. Merry Christmas.
Will you sing us a Christmas song?
Merry Christmas. I make a snowball. It's a snowball. And the doctor get no one, no presents. And Santa got me presents.
How about sing Jingle Bells?
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Almost fun, it's the ride one bunch. Say, hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, everyone.
Love you!
Love